Welcome, my people. So, in this episode, we will talk about data type. What do I say? The first thing what we are going to be talking about in this episode is called what? Data type. So, every programming language has its own data type. Even every normal language has its own data type. In school, we are taught ABCD, and we are taught 1, 2, 3, and ABDFGB2. So, all those things are called data type. So in Python too, a data type is a category for values, and every values belongs to exactly one data type. A data type is a category for values, and every values belongs to exactly one data type. So we now have common data type. The first data type we are going to talk about is integer. Integer data type. Integer spells as in integer. So that's how it is spelled. Integer data type. So that's the first data type we are going to work on. So integer data type can be -2. It can be -3. It can be 1. It can be 500. It can be 6 million billion trillion trillion. It can be 800. That is an integer. So far it is what? It is a solidified number. Even 0 itself is an integer. You can count it as an integer because it's a solid number. So integer is a solid number. It can be minus, it can be plus, it can be negative or positive. That is integer.